Hi, let's talk about crypto, and these are my views on why I'm investing and what I'm going to do. So, basically, to answer the concept of crypto, why I am choosing it, why I'm considering it, I will take the case of Bitcoin, which is the pioneer in cryptocurrency. So, I'll give my views. What are the points? What are the points which led me into investing in Bitcoin? So, first point is it has been accepted as a mode of payment. There are many companies which are accepting crypto as a mode of payment, particularly Bitcoin. Example, Microsoft in US they are accepting, and there are many companies. And not only that, it has been accepted as a mode of payment in dark transactions for the past 10 or 15 years. And this is what I'm saying. So 15 years it has been used as a mode of payment, and I believe it will be continued to be so. And the next point is that again, there are, say for example, in a dark web, while they are doing for illegal transactions, say for doing drug dealings or ammunition transactions, so they cannot do transactions with a proper bank account because they will be tracked, right? So they have been using BTC for 15 years. I think they will continue to do so. So, Bitcoin, even in the worst case, it has value for at least a small set of people. And the next point, it is cannot be interfered by government. See, I'm not a master in what crypto is. So basically, what I understood is that it is a decentralized mode of payment, and no one, absolutely no one, can interfere. Only interference can happen through your broker. Say, for example, you are investing through a broker, right? Say Binance, they can take hack Binance and interfere with the payment. Other than that, the crypto are absolutely safe and no one can interfere in that. Next point is it is absolutely scarce. Even see today, if you see the most appreciating thing, we can say it is gold. Even gold we can mine every year, but it is very limited. Now, so far, I think in market now there are over 19 million units of Bitcoin. This can be mined to an extent of 21 million units. Beyond that, no one can mine anything. So it is going to stay as a constant. So over time, this is going to create a great scarcity, and the value will just keep on increasing. Next point is, and recently US started a ETF on Bitcoin. Basically, US public can invest in Bitcoin through government approved mutual funds. Basically, those are ETFs. And I think this is a very, very, very good news. And not only that, I believe some other countries will do the same in the coming years. Next is again same point, decentralization. No one can interfere, and as it is a gold, see, like gold, it has a value. People have started accepting as a form of asset. So definitely that plays a major role. And the final point I would say is that inflation proof. See, now the technique is we are just government just prints money, and I believe that we will be living in a high inflation environment at least for the next 5 to 10 years. During this time, Bitcoin at least will provide us an inflation proof. At least, say for example, actual inflation is around 6 to 8%. This Bitcoin should give at least that 6 to 8% over the long term. And these are my views why I chose crypto as a form of investment. So see, even after all this, I think this is very risky. So what I thought is that I will just allocate 10% of my whatever portfolio value in crypto. Okay, and so coming to about the market, so I'll go to the chart. This is Bitcoin chart. Okay, if you see Bitcoin recently has broken its all-time high. Right now, it is in all-time high. So this currently the condition looks bullish not only because of chart, but also see currently the Fed has confirmed that they are going to cut the rate in this year. Definitely they are going to cut. So when they cut, there will be a lot of liquidity in the market, and when the liquidity is so high, you know that every asset classes increase in value, and with thing like Bitcoin, with currently approved ETFs, I think it will be flying so high, Bitcoin. Not also that is the market, and also I want to like to highlight, see the from August 21, August to September 21, there has been quantitative tightening, which is increase in interest rate, but generally what people thought was that it would cause a major crash because of less liquidity, and to everyone's surprise, there has been no any such of crash because the economy was able to bear the brunt. So my point is that when economy, even with the less liquidity, is able to do so, and what will happen with high liquidity? So markets are bound to give a bull run. That is my view, and with this, what I am trying to do. See, my thought is this is the thing. So now it is at all-time high, and what the best thing which can happen is, yes, if it starts to correct, it can come up to according to my analysis, somewhere between 50 to 40%. So this is what I think. If it starts to come down, and it should go up according to me. And so how to capitalize this move? So I've started investing in Bitcoin before 3-4 months, 10% of value. I think it was some 65,000, and I had good profit. I booked that profit when it was almost near all-time high, which basically gave me some 40-45% profit. I booked it and I just waited. So when it took the all-time high, I again entered into crypto market. So this is my portfolio, and if you can see right now it is at maybe 97-98,000, and so if you see, I have not invested in Bitcoin except the 17 rupees this broker gave me, and so as I have been expecting inflation, a bull market. See, when there is a bull market in crypto, there will be a violent rally. See, if let us assume that the bull run continues, and say for example the rate quantitative easing starts by second of this year, and it will probably go on for 1 year. So basically it will be around June 25. Even June 25, see, it is right matching with the chart itself. There is this trend line, and it is channel pattern, and it might touch 3 million. I know this is way too much. 3 million, what I believe is, even at least it should touch 2 million in the upcoming bull run. So having said that, even this is even for the major point, I think Bitcoin is over 3 trillion market cap. I'm not sure. So even there is a scope for 200% rally in Bitcoin. The other cryptocurrencies, which is all the altcoins, have a very great potential. And being, see, our investment value is so less. So I think we can take the risk at least for the time being, and try to capitalize the opportunity. And that's why I have invested in Dogecoin. See, apart from Bitcoin, I don't have a faith in any other cryptocurrency. This is just my attempt to use the bull run. So in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, I chose Dogecoin. That is all. It is my personal reasons, and I will shuffle. I will keep on shuffling. If there's a bull run, definitely I will keep on shuffling. And this is my plan, and I want to show you the Dogecoin chart as well. See, even Dogecoin, if you see, crypto has broken the all-time high, and Dogecoin is currently at 73% from its all-time high. From the chart, it looks absolutely beautiful. See, there is a beautiful W pattern in monthly chart, and in weekly chart, if you can see, it is clearly given a breakout. Even it faces a resistance here, it should come touch here, and it should go. At least I'm waiting till market cap of 48 billion. So that will be equal to doubling whatever I have. And after that, based on the condition, I will like to shuffle. So these are my views. I think it might be helpful to you as well.